Alright chat, we're trying a little bit something different today. We're in the BRZ, as you can tell. It's gray and cloudy outside. It's not the best. Figured I'd do a little POV for you guys. POV for you guys. Well, I can't even speak English. This is always a scary part right here. Shoot, why driveway so steep. How's everybody doing though, man? Hope everybody's having a good day. Today is March 31st. April's coming up. My birthday is right around the corner. My birthday is actually on Saturday. We're gonna be heading out to San Francisco for a few days. Watch my Phillies play, because if you guys don't know, I am a Phillies fan. Super excited for that. I'll definitely be vlogging that. Probably bring the DJI with us. I don't think I could take my big camera into the stadium, so my DJI is gonna have to work. But yeah, just gonna do a little chill, laid back POV for y'all. Hopefully the traffic isn't crazy. I loosened up the BRZ coilovers and they still feel like they're bouncy, which isn't crazy because it's not as bad as before, but still pretty bouncy car. I think my window's broken. It goes all the way up, all the way down. I need to wake this car up. I need to get an actual exhaust. I think it's about that time, chat. I think it's time I get my Tomei. This was good. I need louder. Y'all, I always want louder. All my cars have been loud. Why not make this one loud? You know what I mean? This is one thing about living in SoCal that sucks, is the traffic. Going hee hee. Oh, sprinkling a little bit. That guy's on their phone. It's typical. Typical SoCal things, you know what I mean? Bruh. Freeway's jamming. One thing I did kind of want to talk to you guys about is turbo kits. Now, I don't know if there's too many people being turboed on this platform right now, but as the platform's been out for a few years, there's a few turbo kits that I've been kind of looking at, that I've been interested in. One of them being JDL, the other one being HKS. Now, I've had the opportunity to hear both in terms of like videos, but I don't really know. Fucking idiot. Fucking stupid, bro. In a rush for what? You gotta poop. JDL and HKS, top two turbo kits I'm looking at. I think you can make more on the HKS, or sorry, the JDL turbo kit from what I'm looking at, but the price is what gets me. So when I sourced everything out, I think it came out to like $8,300, damn near 10 grand for a turbo kit. HKS, I believe, is just a bolt-on, which is like $5,500 before tax. I could be wrong on that as well. So I don't know. I want to make obviously power on this car, but I don't want to make crazy power. Meaning I'm not aiming for like 1,000. This thing boogies, bro. I love it. I'm not going for crazy horsepower. I want to comfortably be at 500. If I could do it on a stock block, I'm not sure, but I do want to hit that number. I think 500 would be kind of perfect. Anything above that might be a little bit too much. Definitely want to be more than 400. So like 450, 400, or 450, 500 is kind of where I want to be at. That's kind of like my ideal sweet spot for this car. And it's doable. I know it's doable. Seen people do it. I just don't know which kit I want to go with. I haven't done like crazy research. I mean, HKS being HKS, it's going to be a reliable kit. Obviously a well-known kit. JDL just has like that. I don't know. I think their turbo is literally bigger. I don't know, man. I'm really on the fence. If you guys are turboed, whether you're on the first gen platform or the second gen platform, and you guys have both kits for your car, oh my, please, oh my god, please let me know. I honestly want to know. I'm like super interested in knowing which kit is more favorable, though I think it's going to be the HKS kit. Also, I gotta get rid of this rev hang. Which I know the only way to really get rid of it is to get like a ECU tech or EQ tech to get like a tuning thing, but bro, the rev hang on this thing is pretty bad. Look, I'm not gonna lie. If anybody wants to sponsor the build too, I'll take a sponsored turbo kit. Why not? Shoot, I'll do it. I'll be the guy. I also do need to lower this car as well. I think I have maybe 2 inches in the front, maybe an inch in the rear. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I have more room in the front than the rear. I'm like 100% certain. I just don't remember how much. This is like one of the downfalls of living in OC, bro. Or just SoCal in general. Traffic is just so bad. Yo, 100 likes on this video, I'll go swing this thing. And by the way, if you guys are watching this right now and you guys are not subscribed and you guys want to see more BRZ content, like and comment down below and subscribe to your boy. We're trying to get into the algorithm. We're trying to get rolling. I've been out of the game for a few years and I want to make as much content as I can. I'm trying the best that I can. But you guys just know that building a car obviously takes money. And I know the BRZ community and the GR community is huge, so do your boy a favor, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We're trying to hit 10K at the end of this year. I know we can do it. Working my butt off to get these videos out for you guys, man. Oh, I'm on the wrong side, bro. This side is so bouncy. Oh. Yeah, man, I'm actually enjoying this car. I do wish that it had more power. I'm not gonna lie. I know everyone's gonna say, well, it doesn't need power. It's supposed to be lightweight, nimble, stiff chassis. I get that. But coming from what I build and the cars that I've had, my 10 Gen SI being boosted, obviously the Type R comes boosted, and then supercharging the 8 Gen, bro, power is just so much fun. You can't go wrong with power. Give me a turbo kit, brother, and I'm making the most fun out of this car. I do not care. I will drive this thing across country with the turbo kit. I just think it needs one. I think they should have made the TS version. Just give it a little baby turbski. It ain't gotta be a big one, and then let me upgrade it from there. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Is that just me? But then again, marketing comes in, and then if you put a turbo in a GR or a BRZ, it's competing against the Supra, which is probably what they don't want to do. Why not put a turbo in your own motor? I love this car though. It handles really good. I will give it that. It's a great handling car. I still don't think it handles better than my Type R though. I will give it that. Thousand likes, we trade this car for a Type R. An F05 again? Not again, but I mean an F05. But no, I want to experiment with the new chassis first. It's just why I bought this car, and I can't go wrong with it. I freaking love it. I think it's a great car. Oh, it's a good thing I'm off of work now, not later. Little pull for the boys. Rev hang sucks. Rev hang sucks. I need to get rid of it. Maybe just a little ECU tune will do me just right. So yeah, just made it home. I'm super exhausted. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am tired. I hope the mic was a success and it wasn't blown out like the last time. I'm trying to get used to filming on the DJI and then having the microphone right there. I think this is a smart thing that DJI did where they seamlessly connected it to it. So I'm trying to go this route just so when we go to San Fran, I can actually use this and not have to carry my big camera around, because I feel like that's going to be a pain in the ass to try to carry that big camera around. But who knows? I might do it. I don't know yet. I think the quality on this small little camera, it's tiny, bro. That's how small it is. I don't know. I might carry this around with me in San Fran. You guys are definitely going to get that vlog. I'm going to try to film the entire weekend. I wish we could take the BRZ up there, but we're not. We're going to be taking the Tesla up there. I got new tires for it. But that's going to be the car content this week for this car. I'm not going to do anything until we get back, which is next week. I will try to film another video. I do want to lower it before we leave. Now, obviously, I wasn't going to do it today, but now I didn't know it was raining today. So I probably won't do it today. I'll probably have to stick it to the next video. Yeah, I just want to lower it before we leave. And then, again, man, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. We're trying to grow up to 10K subscribers this year, and I know we could do it. I'm trying to push as much content for you guys and be consistent. So if you guys can do me a favor and help your boy get into the algorithm, just like, comment, subscribe down below. I think at 10K I am going to run a giveaway for you guys just because I feel like it's long overdue. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.